Child Protection Unit Tengnoupal Amadi District Legal Service Chandel gi miyeng MAKHADA South Eastern Rural Development Society KHANGSHIM Village na SINDUNA Child Protect and Mental Health ki matangda NONGMAGI OIBA Awareness Program ama Weaker Section Development Council KHANGSHIM gi Training Hall da ngarang PANGTHOKKHRE Thoromadu da One Stop Center Tengnoupal gi Psychosocial Counselor Salmoingam Khalingna Mental Health and Emotional Well-being Tengnoupal Police Station ki Second OC Sub Inspector Kulak Toithang Dangshwana Roles and Responsibility of Police in Safeguarding Children Amadi DCPO Kamjong Maibam Robindrona Child Marriage haina tongan ba hiram singda resource person oina wangangki Thoromadu da DCPO Tengnoupal Furalapam Debabarta Samasu Sargyaki